So it's really windy. We only got here. We only been here for an hour, and we've already got surprised by Mr. Dylan here in his juke.
I woke up late and didn't go to the racetrack.
He woke up late and didn't go to the racetrack.
Like 9:45 because someone didn't wake me up. So instead of race day, we're here supporting Canadian street runners and only mods.
Support local.
Heavy. I walked a G35, a Nissan G, Nismo, a TL Type S, but I can't keep up to that 2-liter turbo Genesis. I can run that all day, every day, and not have any exploded issues. So that's the plan.
I didn't know those things go down, honestly.
Yeah. Every single person that's like, it's a Jew. David's like, dude, take him for a rip. And then I take him for a rip, and they're like, yo, why is this thing quick? And I'm like, I know. It's fucking surprising.
You can't even answer. It's just, I know, right?
It's like, I don't get it. I mean, all my suede is still intact. My leather's just made up. Why is that thing so loud? The girl sees it. She says it's the ugliest thing she's ever seen. Sorry? What's that? The big red dog.
The one I can see.
The one that you can see over. It's in the...
Supposed to be taking care of it.
It might be.
No, relax.
Hey Dylan, would you like some wheel woolies?
Wheel woolies.
Wheel woolies.
Wheel woolies. All the so basically I've lived in the area the past like 25 years, right? So the guy who owned it died, and nobody's got to it. He just left the place to it. 2 years.
Alright. Who is foam demo.
Pretty much.
Waterproof cameras.
Exactly. 2022 technology.
Alright, how's everybody doing today? What? I didn't hear you guys. How's everybody doing today? Woo! Alright, let's start this foam cannon demo. So, you guys want to make sure to always, rinse the card out. You got to make sure there's nobody there though, okay? So, quick rinse. Once the card is completely rinsed off, let's get the foam ready. Alright, so got the foam cannon in. It is our Jax Wax foam cannon. The product we're using is our foam cannon soap. Here's a little trick for you guys. Whenever you do foam cannon, you want a little bit more foam into it, use hot water. Activates the soap a lot better, okay? Yeah. So you guys ready? You guys set?
I think so. There's a faster. That's
Alright, so while the foam is there, it's going to break down all the dust, the dirt, debris, so it causes less scratching on the vehicle. Let me ask you guys a question. Who wants to try to use this bad boy out right now? Anybody? Oh, you're like, you're halfway. Who wants to use it? Give it a quick try.
Come on, somebody get up there and try it.
I see you. Joe is going to town, folks. Look at that. Keep going, keep going. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, I don't want to trip over. I know. Everybody tells me 9 times out of 10, you buy it because of the smell. So this bad boy smells like grape. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It smells like grape. What do we do next? We rinse this bad boy out. You guys ready? Look how thick that foam is. That's some shaving cream foam right there, folks. Look at that bad boy just wash right out.
Don't forget that you got it. One of these kids bring down the car. Those phone cannon kids on sale inside, $7. Make sure you go inside and grab one. The car solid, great.
Oh man.
We're like Rihanna. We sound like a diamond, folks. Woo!
Right? Oh, I got your lunch now. Yeah? Exactly.
Two cars coming. Content. So it is 1 o'clock and the lights were flickering and we're all chilling inside here. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up today. It's horrible rain out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until then, see you in the next video.
See you later.
See. It's storming out there, but we saved the Honda 10. Hallelujah.